Let's see what's up. Oi, oi. Even Tesla's rolling around. We let. Hey. Very good place to practice left foot brake. Yeah, to understand what's going on. Tesla, are you? He's letting me by. Yeah, I did couple of laps already. Here you need to be on the correct line to make this track work. Little bit of the left foot. Oba, oba. Here on the outside maybe a little too much brake, yeah. How he does that. And this final is the very tricky cone. Yeah, a little bit with brakes. All sorts of cars driving around. Maybe you can catch that up. E46. And again that ATV rolling. Can't see nothing. Oh, he going nicely on the outside. Let's go. No, can't see nothing. Oh man, come on. He just comes from nowhere, man. He gets the speed from there, from the uphill, I guess. Yeah, this is tricky, man. Come on. How to keep up with this dude? Again, he's behind. Nah man, we can't keep up. How is that? I guess better tires. Yeah, our tires are pretty shit already. Oh yassa. I need to fix, yeah, this, the last corner is the biggest ass. This one right here, that one. How the hell to do it, right? Let's park up with him. Nice talking with other dudes. What setup they have and everything. Let's go. Yeah, when you go on the outside there, you have a bit more speed coming in here. way. That's, man, sketchy as fuck. You can go in that tree so easy. Like, come on. Then these are pretty good corners. Should be at least. Woo-hoo. Aye. Need to be a little bit more brave. Here the sides can pull you in very good. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh. Ooh. I was fucking thinking it's going to be a rock there or something. Luckily it was very puffy. Let me see that again. Almost got that sign there. Oh yeah, this wide road, man. Come on. Yeah. Wait. Don't do anything stupid, man. What are these snowy roads, man? Come on. Come on, man. Wee! Nice. Do you see this snow, man? I hope there is no ditch on the side here. This is the powder. Yep, sketchy a little. Snow was so deep, the steering wheel turned very hard. Yeah, man, come on. That amount of snow, man, it's just, ooh, yeah, it's huge. Just fucking pulls you in, man. Come on. second gear was just in time there, actually. Yeah. How wide is this? Hey. Corners. Nah, this would require way more stone. Nah, man, go back. Fuck this. Fuck this. Yep. Let's try that. Let's try straight. Because looks like everybody have been rolling here. Fucking hell. This is action. Yeah, why the fuck would you clean this far? Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe we can get out. Nobody's stopping. Fuck. Hey. Yep. Sometimes also happens shit like this. I was already going back. I needed to turn around, but come on. Who plows the road like this wide? And this looks pretty doable, like, you know, the side of the road, but nah. It's deep as fuck. This time, even the welded diff didn't help. But nothing stops, we keep going.